Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like
after taking down my scalp braids, I like to comb through my hair. This gives me the chance to detangle so that when I begin my shampooing process, I'm not washing tangled hair. That's my hair catcher. You could get it at like Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, anywhere really that sells like home goods. So I like to just wet my hair first. This helps me to kind of get a head start at rinsing out whatever products may be in my hair. And the first shampoo that I take literally every single time I wash my hair is my dermatologist prescribed shampoo. It's not over the counter, so I stopped sharing the name of it because it would have to be prescribed to you anyway, so it wouldn't matter even if I said what the name was. But I do have psoriasis of the scalp, and so I have to use that shampoo first on the affected area, which is only the front portion of my hair. That's why you see me not really washing the back portions with that, because it doesn't need it. And then after I let that sit for 5 minutes as directed, I rinse it out, and then I follow up with my shampoo of choice, which is the LustraSilk shampoo. A lot of you all have been asking me about my current natural hair routine, and this is it. So after I've worked the shampoo throughout my hair, I use my fingertips to sort of massage at my scalp. I'm not really scratching in my scalp with my nails. It's not recommended for me by my dermatologist, so that's why I don't personally do it. Sometimes I do use my shampoo brush as well. I just didn't grab it this particular day. I kind of work the shampoo through my hair for a good little minute, but obviously for, you know, short attention spans and the YouTube algorithm and your viewing pleasure, this video is nicely edited to keep you entertained. So after rinsing out the shampoo, I'm taking my deep conditioner. This is also by LustraSilk. Whenever I purchase this product, based on the length of my hair and the amount that I use, I'm able to get 3 uses out of this. I really like using all of one brand because I feel like they're formulated to work together. Basically, you're going to see me follow up with all products from LustraSilk in this video. It's not sponsored. Work the conditioner through my hair, and then I spend time taking sections detangling that through before sitting underneath my dryer. I did run out of the LustraSilk, so the other conditioner that you see me using is just one I picked up from, I think, TJ Maxx. I work back and forth between either using my shower comb, which is from Dollar Tree, or I use my detangling brush, which is from Amazon. There's a little clip you can put on the back, but I just use mine this way. It's the growth for me. Like, a lot of y'all have been asking me about my hair and the growth, and how do you get your hair to grow, blah, blah, blah. Hair grows regardless because it grows from your root, right? It's more so about length retention. It's growing, but you have to do things that maintain your length. Truthfully, my little sister Bone did give me a trim the last time I got my hair straightened, and so by having healthy ends, I just think that my hair is just flourishing at this point. To be honest with you all, I deep condition my hair anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. Usually every time I do my wash day routine. I don't do my routine if I don't have the time that I need to dedicate to it. Forgot to put on my conditioning cap, so my hair was kind of going from wet to dry underneath. I'm just still going to have soft hair because this conditioning combo is really good. And I didn't lose too much hair for the amount of time that my braids were up underneath my wigs. A pretty standard amount since we lose about 100 strands every day. So listen, baby, listen up, listen to me. As I'm rinsing out the deep conditioner, the next product that I'm going to apply is one of my absolute favorite products. It's the LustraSilk Curl Max Curl Activator Moisturizer. I watched This Is Ray here on YouTube, and she uses this product on her hair. So I was like, let me purchase it. Let me give it a try. I've been using it a good couple of months now, probably since like last year, honestly. And my hair likes it. And when I went to purchase this, I noticed the other products that they had in the line. That's how I've gotten into the habit of using this combo. It works for me, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I like to go ahead and apply this directly at the sink, or if I'm doing my hair in the shower, I'll apply it right then. I'm not into hair typing, but I am aware that my hair is low porosity. So if I put the towel on my hair, move my camera, my lights, the action, all the way to my film room, and then I sit down attempted to apply my leave-ins, my hair strands will not receive these products well. Taking the time and trial and error in learning my own natural hair, I found that this method works best for me. So let's get into it. I don't put my towel on my hair sometimes because my hair is low porosity. I like to go ahead and try to work in a few of my products just to give my hair a head start at soaking them up while I'm like right there at the sink. So the products that I use the LustraSilk Curl Max. This is a curl activated moisturizer. I'm currently out of the Wetline Extreme Gel, but what I did find in my stash, I guess this is kind of like the same thing. This one is from Dollar Tree, so you get like a big jar of it. I consider this a decent size for it to be from Dollar Tree, but it just says Super Look. It's by TG, and it's a styling gel. So these are the two products, the curl activated moisturizer, and then this product right here, just a gel. I really just zone out, start from the back, work my way to the front, and kind of define my curls that way. I start off with this brush. There's like a little clip you can put on it, but I just use it as is without the little clip. I don't know, I like it. Since I already detangled my hair, like once I flip my hair back over and brush it out, it's already going to be detangled for me. I just take the gel. Don't be stingy with it, just buy more gel. And then I just start working that through my hair. My hair always turns out the best. Like the compliments I get on it are always the days when I did not record. I don't think I'm gonna talk to y'all because I might not get like my absolute best turnout from my hair. It's pretty tedious, so I just sit here and just keep going. I don't know when I should get the next clip for this Instagram reel. I either take the shower comb or I'll take this brush and I just scoop my hand in, like put it in, slide it out. Then take the piece that doesn't have the product on it yet and kind of rake it through. I don't use my fingertips. I kind of go through with the insides of my finger and just slide it down basically. My hair is getting so long. That's crazy. So knowing my porosity, I've learned that if I apply my products immediately after rinsing out the conditioner, my curls pop. My curls just pop, baby. They just hit different.
Then dip me underway. You can hit me on my foot, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Sometimes certain pieces of my hair, I will spiral them around my finger. This is not a process that I do all over. It just depends on what that specific section is doing as far as the amount of definition that I want. If I think it needs it, then I'll do it. This is a tedious process of just taking sections, working your way to the front. So I like to take the Money of Beauty. This is a high maintenance hair elixir. It's a hair oil. I do apply this to my scalp and I massage that all over for about 2 minutes. But I like to apply the oil before I define the curls. That way, massaging the oil into my scalp isn't disturbing my definition.
Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can hit me on my foot, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry.
Pantene Butter Hydrating Cream. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to the entire section before doing the subsections. So in the last video, the Q&A that I did where I asked my Instagram followers to submit questions, and I had told you all that Titanic was my favorite movie, right? And so y'all was like, no, Destiny, you got to check out The Notebook. So guess what Destiny did? Checked out The Notebook, and when I say, I won't spoil it for anyone that hasn't seen it. I'm 29 years old and that was my first time seeing The Notebook. But when I say that movie made me cry, and I'm talking about like cry for like 20 minutes after it had went off, I couldn't wrap my mind around the fact that it's just a movie that I watch. But then somebody told me that it's based on a true story, so I was just like, oh my goodness. And I put on Instagram and I was like, for everybody that told me to check out The Notebook, we're not cool. Like, the fact that y'all wanted me to watch that movie and cry intentionally, I was just like, we're not cool. So that's my Notebook update. I did watch the movie. It was a beautiful love story. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I know y'all next question is going to be, okay, now that you've seen it, Titanic or Notebook? I am going to say, oh goodness, which one would I pick? I don't know. I still don't know. Titanic, like I said, is my favorite movie, but I don't know which one I would choose. Now, after seeing both of them, I think y'all need to give me a minute to think on it. I mean, I cried watching Titanic, but I didn't cry. I literally like kind of cried myself to sleep. That movie just, it did something to me. It was like beautiful, other emotional type of way. I don't know. It was too much. My heart couldn't take it. But I did pay it forward because I was like live on Instagram. And I was like, what? Like I had to pay $3.99 to watch it because I couldn't find it anywhere for free. And so one of my subscribers, one of you all, shout out to Brittany, she had actually cashed out me. She was like, girl, if you don't buy this movie. And so I felt like, y'all know how I am. I felt like, oh my God, no, like you didn't have to do that. And so while I was sitting there watching The Notebook, I said, if I end up enjoying this, I'm going to pay it forward. So I ended up going back on live on Instagram just to basically, you know, be kind to someone else like how you all were kind to me. And I chose 2 people randomly off of Instagram Live, since that's where we were talking about it at, to do just like a dinner and a movie on me basically. And I chose 2 people. One of y'all actually DM'd me. She was like, girl. Doing things like that just really make me happy. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. This is really all I do to my natural hair. So I guess this will be my updated way of how I do my hair. And that way when you all see it curly next time, you can just reference this video again, because I doubt if my routine changes anytime soon. I'm such a if it's not broke, don't fix it kind of person. So as long as my hair turns out cute with this method, I don't see myself switching it up just for the sake of switching it up, if that makes sense. I don't have a diffuser, so after this, usually I just go on about my day and just let my hair do its thing. I know like y'all like to see hair once it's fully dried and stuff like that, so I'll hold this footage maybe until tomorrow.
I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because
Look at my hair. It's kind of clean. I could just leave it like this, cause it's very much giving. My thighs hurt when I keep slapping them like this. That's what it's giving. That's what it's giving. Subscribe, baby. You want to, so do it.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me.